If Firefox is showing you the message that your connection is not secure, don't worry, because in most cases, this is a fixable problem. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective step-by-step solutions to get Firefox working again and help you load secure websites without those warning messages. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should check is your system date and time. This may sound simple, but an incorrect clock is one of the most common reasons Firefox flags a website as unsafe. Secure websites use certificates, and if your device thinks the date or time is wrong, Firefox may assume that certificate is expired or invalid. To fix this on Windows, right-click the time in your taskbar and choose Adjust Date and Time. Once the settings window opens, turn on Set Time automatically, then click Sync Now if that option is available. After that, close the settings and try reloading Firefox. In many cases, this alone can solve the issue right away. If the warning is still happening, the next step is to clear Firefox cache and any corrupted certificate data that may be stored in the browser. Over time, Firefox can save old information that conflicts with a website's current security settings. To clear it, open Firefox and click the menu button in the top right corner. That's the icon with the three horizontal lines. From the menu, select Settings. On the left side, click Privacy and Security, then scroll down until you find Cookies and Site Data. Click Clear Data. Make sure both boxes are checked, then click Clear. This removes stored site data that could be causing the false security warning. After that, restart Firefox and test the website again. Now, another thing that can interfere with secure browsing is your antivirus software. Some antivirus programs scan encrypted connections and can accidentally block or alter the certificates Firefox is trying to use. If the issue started after installing or updating antivirus software, try temporarily turning it off and then reload the page in Firefox. Just make sure you only disable it briefly for testing. If the site loads normally, then your antivirus may be the cause and you may need to adjust its web protection settings or add Firefox as an exception. The same idea applies to VPNs. A VPN can sometimes route your traffic through servers that create certificate conflicts or trigger security checks in Firefox. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it temporarily and then refresh the website. If the error disappears, the VPN was likely the reason Firefox thought the connection was not secure. Again, this is just for troubleshooting, and you can reconnect after you've confirmed whether it's causing the problem. If you've tried all of that and the error is still showing up on multiple websites, then you may need to change an advanced Firefox setting called Enterprise Routes. This is especially useful when Firefox is not properly using the root certificates trusted by your operating system. To do this, type about config into the Firefox address bar and press enter. You'll see a warning page, so click accept the risk and continue. Now use the search bar and type security.enterprise/routes. Enabled. When it appears, double-click it to change the value from false to true. This tells Firefox to trust the system's certificate store, which can fix connection errors on many secure sites. After changing it, restart Firefox completely so the setting can take effect. Once Firefox reopens, try visiting the same website again. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the connection not secure problem. Start with the date and time, then clear the browser data, check antivirus and VPN interference, and finally use the about config fix if needed. That gives you the best chance of resolving the issue quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching and